Yes, I think the community therapy has been proven provide a lot of benefit than adverse effect. And what the benefit of combination, you have the best of the both, right? They're bound to be better than one. Right? That's the simple logic. Second one, in terms of understanding how the drug works, combination therapy gives us the insight to say how the brain functions when they administer two different agents. One target one area of the brain, another target the other area of the brain, so it can give us the understanding what is the MOA, the mechanism of action of lecanemab, and also how we understand how our drug works with or without lecanemab. And that's very extremely important for future drug development. That's why oncology, they have made a lot of progress. One, you have 2 or 3 drug in the cocktail. You see, number one, how the drug interacted. Number 3, it is a very common in Eastern medicine, like Chinese old medicine. They use multiple opal. I don't know what they do, but they use multiple opal. They say, hey, one balance the other. And if it truly today in oncology, when you give oncology drug, the people tend to be a nausea and they have to be very uncomfortable. They lose their hair, lose a lot of strength. So they give them another drug to anti-nausea. So that's about 2 drugs. And the patient may lose some muscle mass, so they give them more strength to strengthen the body. So that's why, like most doctors nowadays, believe that treatment has to be holistic. When you start with one, you know that the patient needs some other balance. Yep. This is Mother Nature is actually very well. Yeah, you give them a lot of this one, you have to be counterback by another agent to counterback. And I think combination therapy is the way to go. I think we believe we're the first, or maybe one of the early, along with our colleagues, trying combination therapy. We think the benefits outweigh the risk, and particularly for small company, small medium-sized company, a combination therapy gives us a chance to work with our big partner, our major partner, who have a large market shares, right? And to them, they can either control 100% market share or big market share. Having a small company like us join with them, it makes them become even stronger. Yeah, they can control the market even bigger. Second one, it helps us to open opportunity to take care of the patient need, right? And like I mentioned to you, there are multiple ways you can do that. One, we thought about the idea that might be it better for us to be the first one administer all the drug to the patient before the lecanemab administer. Why? This is one of the idea. Why? Because when you have the oral drug come to treat the patient gently, because the oral couldn't harm the patient much, right? So it strengthens the body. It begins to administer and help to bring the neurotransmission, which is very weak early, together. And once the system begins to reboot itself, then you give the patient with a very large dose of lecanemab. This is something we thought about. We discussed with our partner, and they said that everything possible. Let's try it. So now clinical trial, we have multiple cohorts. One cohort, A go first, B go later. Another cohort, A and B together. Another cohort, B go first, A and after. And there are multiple possibilities. It's up to the patient condition. And that actually gives us the idea that, cancer or even Alzheimer's disease have to be precision medicine. Yep. You cannot have one method fit all. It's very difficult to one size fit all. Yep. It gives the doctor choices to custom, to tailor, to be more precise. And that's the concept of precision medicine. You have ability to refocus, to customize, give and take, add and give it back for the benefit of the patient, depending on each patient conditions. So I think that the more we live, the more I think it makes a lot of sense to give them choices. At the end of the day, I think we want to make a final day that to us at our company, we believe that patient care is the most important. We're here to support the patient. My dad actually died of Alzheimer's disease. That's why I spent the last many years working in this field. I think this is the field that have a lot of opportunity, a lot of unknown, right? And all of us in drug development, like the expedition, we work with something new and unknown. Not until someone like us maybe was willing to be the guinea pig, right? Ourselves, just try it. We may not make it, but at least we know what the limitation, and we can change and we can adjust us until we find the right solution.